Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 4-liter bi-turbo pushing out 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line with 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports body styling, a silk beige, espresso brown dash, leather interior, panorama sunroof, rear heated seats, S560 4MATIC badging, clean set of all season and regular floor mats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, Mercedes logo, Mercedes illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, pearl walnut and leather steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, adaptive high beam assist, surround view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, dual climate controls, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This S560 has 13,868 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz S560 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.